Hey, Finance Fam, it's your go-to guide, Finance Bro, back at it again. Diving deep into the whirlpool of the stock market to fish out the pearls of wisdom for you. Today, we've got a special focus on the tech giants and how AI's cutting-edge developments are reshaping the investment landscape. So, buckle up as we navigate through the recent surges, dives, and the anticipation building around the Federal Reserve's next move. This Monday set the stage for an impressive comeback in the tech sector, with the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones all ticking upwards after a tense fortnight of declines. Investors have shifted their gaze, drawing optimism from the AI buzz that's currently electrifying the air, leading the charge. We have Nvidia kicking off its annual developer conference, sending waves of excitement across the market. But hold on, the plot thickens with Alphabet soaring after rumors that Apple might integrate Google's Gemini AI engine into its next iPhone. Imagine the possibilities. And if you thought that was all, Thursday promises a new thrill with Reddit's public debut under RDDT. The buzz, it's potentially 5 times oversubscribed. Talk about making an entrance. Globally, eyes are on Japan as it teases a departure from its negative rate policy. The Nikkei jumped to percent, showing just how interconnected our financial world is. But let's not forget our electrifying player, Tesla, ramping up the game with a 6% climb after announcing price hikes. This move marks its biggest gain in 6 months. Amidst the EV market speed bumps, switching gears to commodities. Oil's making headlines with a 2% lead, fueled by robust demand from China and tightening exports. It's a clear signal of the global economic pulse, and as investors, we're here for it. In today's trending tickers, Alphabet leads the charge with its AI negotiations, while Tilray surges on cannabis reform optimism, and Canoo hit the gas with a 75% soar after securing a game-changing approval. There you have it, folks, from AI shaking up the tech world to strategic moves on the global stage. This week is brimming with opportunities and narratives worth watching. Remember, the key to navigating these waters is staying informed and ready to adapt. If you enjoyed this dive into the market's currents, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights from your finance bro. Until next time, keep investing smart and let's make those gains together.